Oopsie. So don't always follow the crowd.
Don't always follow the crowd.
Good morning, everybody. How are you? Look what we got.
I'm feeling better so far. So far, so good. So we are going to test out going and having some breakfast locally, and then deciding if
we're gonna go way north, or we're gonna stay around the city. So, but we're putting yesterday's bleh behind us, and we're gonna have a good day today and have some fun. So we're gonna jump on the moped, go run around. Got off the bike and we found this little place called Fusion Burrito. They have different types of burritos, different sandwiches and stuff like that. Stacy wanted to try BLT, so we're gonna try that, have some water, see how that goes.
Looks like they have real coffee barista downstairs with lattes and all that, if you love that. They had smoothies, fresh juice smoothies on there, and a lot of iced drinks.
So it looks like a good place. It's a little expensive, but then again, we are in the mood downtown. Hopefully, the next couple of days we'll be getting out of town and starting to see these prices that aren't as high.
Yeah,
but
just testing the stomach.
So this is a Southeast Asia BLT.
This looks really good. It looks almost like they had, so it looks like they did
Ham, I think?
no, like Canadian bacon.
Yeah, Canadian bacon.
Canadian bacon, tomato, cucumber, which Richard will pick out.
Yes.
And I will have. And lettuce and mayo. And then there's 3 different dipping sauces here.
And a salad and some dragon
Nice
fruit.
salad. There's watermelon in there too. And nice lime that I get to put in my water. Get butter the toast. That is really, really good. That bacon, it tastes just like regular bacon. It just has the consistency of Canadian bacon. So, kind of like a ham Canadian bacon, but the flavor of it is actual bacon. Love the cucumber in there. It gives it a nice extra crunch. Perfect amount of mayo, and the bread is so nice and toasty. It's really, really good.
This is for Stacy.
And I get all the cucumbers.
Right. Very good flavor. It's like bread's delicious, tomatoes delicious. And then you're right, the ham bacon is, yeah, I'm taking it. I mean, this was 45,000 baht, so it's about $3 for a BLT. I spent about $3 on a BLT in New York, so, but for where we're at, for what we're doing, I'm okay, I'm happy, I like it.
I'm about to try the salad. I think it's just mayo. Did give us a bunch of dipping sauces. I was using it on my sandwich. So I'm gonna kind of try it with the salad. Nice, really crispy lettuce. It's really nice and refreshing compared to what we have been eating lately, which was a lot of like rice and noodles. It's nice to have a different texture and something just nice and fresh. And here in Ubud, there are so many vegetarians and vegan restaurants out here that they really know how to do their vegetables really well out here. So, if you're vegan or vegetarian, you'll do really well out here. Jill, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, lady. You would love it out here.
Where are we going?
We are going to the Goa Caves.
The Goa what caves?
So this is a rarity of seeing this place empty. This is kind of an Instagrammer's dream right now.
But I think we are going to head on out. I think we've seen this temple pretty good.
Yeah.
We're gonna look up some stuff and see where to go next. There's
found
something
something
else.
That was a really cool experience. So yes, so when you come over here, don't forget to go down the Buddha Trail and then go behind the rock.
Oh my God, the waterfall and actually seeing the statue. Oh, it's really, really pretty. Look at that roof. That roof comes up to about here on me.
Well, that means it's only 1.5 feet tall.
I'm fighting words.
What I'm stuck to taking photos with for a while.
Water doesn't look as clean on that side.
So this is our first Balinese waterfall, which is kind of, well, the other one was a small one. That was more of a water trickle. This is a waterfall. It's beautiful. Now we're starting to see a little bit of something here, a little bit of a puzzle piece. So you see behind me right here, this would be the crenel on the top of something. And it looks like all these were one gigantic tall statue that sat here. And it has crumbled over the years. That goes to a puppy pond. We saw a lot more of this place than we thought there was going to be. It was awesome. So we're going to head on out of here, and we're going to go explore someplace else. After a short little bicycle ride, motorcycle ride, I think we're going to a waterfall. I don't know what's going on over here though. It sounds really loud. Let's go find out what's going on here. So we saw a lot of motorbikes, and we were like, look at all these. Look at all the motorbikes.
Yep.
We're like, oh, okay, that's where we should park for the waterfall. Turns out it was for the cockfight.
Oops.
Oopsie. So
Oops.
don't always follow the crowd.
Don't always follow the crowd.
Shall we go see a fight?
No. Looks like no women are allowed. Looks like they were all men.
Well, that's why I'm gonna go.
We're not gonna watch cockfights.
A little warm and hot.
I hate stairs.
Okay, so we're gonna back to the room. It's really close to here. Relax, get some sunscreen, and we're gonna head on
Cool
out.
off a little bit.
We're back. We took a nice beautiful shower in the apartment or room. We then sat and relaxed for a little bit. I worked on vlog number 6.
Yay!
We should be able to be done with that tonight and post that. And then we've got vlog number 7 I'll probably work on tonight.
We are going and finally getting a foot massage.
So leg and foot massage. We're gonna go find that right now. But yeah, so that's where we're gonna go. Then we're gonna get some dumplings and food for dinner, and we will go from there. Stacy. How you feeling?
I am feeling amazing. I'm so happy right now. I needed that so bad. How are you feeling, Richard?
Well, I consider massages torture.
Yes, you do.
But it was still good. The massages was really good. They were really good at it. And we got 2 massages. I got a massage. 2 30-minute foot massages. And why do I keep saying massages?
Massages?
2 30-minute massages, and it was a total of $5.60.
For 80,000 rupees.
80,000 rupees. We are now heading to dinner. We're going to go to
I'm so excited!
It's a place that does hand-cut noodles, dumplings, lots of different food. So it's considered one of the better restaurants in Ubud and pretty inexpensive. So we're going to head there right now. What do you got here?
We have our shrimp goiza. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at how pretty they pressed them. Ooh, hot.
Just go.
Really tasty. Very flavorful. They're not like really fishy, but they're made with little baby shrimps. So you get like lots of little ones in there. It tastes like they did them in butter.
Oh.
Because the outer tastes like pan fried in butter.
I have a chicken bun. I don't think the first bite's gonna get the chicken, but I'm gonna try it. It's got chicken with vegetables inside of it. It's got, I don't know what flavor it is, but it's really good. I really like it.
Yep. Put it right in the middle. We're going to be sharing this.
This for the soup?
Perfection.
And this for the spicy.
That's for spicy.
That's kind of sweet.
Right? It's got like, it's
It
like
has a little bit of a sweetness, but almost it tastes like
greens, collard greens.
yeah, a little bit of collard green, but it has coriander.
Coriander, that's what it is.
It's coriander, but it also has like it's kind of like a little bit of cinnamon
Yeah,
taste
just-
in the background.
Yeah, it's-
Or maybe it's the Chinese 5 spice.
Whatever it is, it tastes delicious.
On me.
Bun. We got wontons and we got these. And then what we do is we take this and pour it in here and eat it.
So we got the combo, which is chicken dumplings, and then you'll see pork. So we got the combo, so we get the best of both worlds in there.
Okay, grab out your chopsticks. Get yourself some noodles.
Very nice light broth, but lots of flavor with like all the different toppings. You have ground chicken, you have ground pork. Can't wait to bite into one of those dumplings. Chicken has a lot of nice light flavor. Like, it's herby, but it's not like overpowering. It's still really, really light.
Extra spicy spice. So I made myself a little bowl, mini bowl. Put some of this in it. That's what. Oh.
And a proper cup of tea. This will make any tea drinker extremely happy.
It's dead. We killed it. Congratulations to us. It started to rain.
Yeah.
The
Not really hard, but
Not really hard, but yeah, we got it. So the restaurant.
food coma.
Food coma. We spent $10 for the entire meal. That was the soup, the goiza, the pork bun, the
Chicken bun.
the chicken bun, the tea, and the water. So all that together came out to $10. It was expensive, but it was our second meal of the day, and our first meal was like $4. So at the end of the day, we still hit our $15 where we wanted to sit with food.
Mm-hmm. And we
But it
are
was God
so
worth it.
full.
Oh my God, it was
my
so
gosh.
good.
Like, I don't think, unless you are a really heavy eater,
Yeah.
those bowls of like noodle soup that we got, it
Two people can, yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you had like some appetizers.
yeah,
it's
if you
perfect.
have like a couple appetizers, I think you can split
Yeah.
one of the main
It was
courses.
so good. The broth was so good. The
That
bun
broth
was so
was so delicious.
bun was so
Oh
good.
my God,
Yeah,
it
no,
was
all
so
the-
savory
yeah.
but so light.
And the goiza was good too. So
Mhm.
I mean, well, anyway, so we're back in the room. I'm got to finish one vlog post and see if I can get the second one done so we can catch up, because last night we didn't do anything because we were just. It was the. You'll see if you saw yesterday's, then you know why I took the day off. So, but yeah, so yeah, I get to relive that. Yay! But yeah, so we will talk to you guys tomorrow. I think tomorrow we are heading up to the rice fields.
Yeah, we're gonna wake up around 7 instead of our normal 8.
Okay, and then we're gonna head up north. So we'll take you guys along, and we'll see you later.